I'm Chris Barnhardt, the owner of Barnhardt Construction, and behind me is a project that we are working on here in Pasco County. It is a 1960s home that we are completely remodeling from the ground up. In this segment, we're going to be teaching you and showing you the different reasons why we're doing what we're doing, and hopefully shed some insight by showing you different techniques and practices. Because this house was built in the 60s, this house had no concrete poured in the block walls. So what we've had to do is we've had to actually cut a slot in the block wall and actually add rebar inside the wall, tying rebar into the top and tying rebar into the foundation down here, and then pouring the solid concrete. These older homes had absolutely no concrete whatsoever in them. So you have to do this on the outside corners and beside each window and door opening around this whole entire home, which in this case, this home had approximately 60 of these done throughout the house. We're here in the master bedroom, which used to be the garage, and we've taken this existing door opening and blanked it out, and we've relocated it into this location over here by cutting out the block wall. We've also raised the floor of the garage 4 inches by overpouring it with concrete to bring it to the finished floor elevation of the existing home. One of the many processes in building a home is installing windows and doors, and this is how we're going to do it. Okay. I'll lift it up. I'm going to try to set it, try to set it right in the hole over the top. That way I don't drag it. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we should be flush with that. If we ripped it down right, we should be flush with that furring strip. Now, get your tape measure out and gauge how far past we need to be at 1/2 inch. Start with the top first. Here we have a completed door, just installed, ready for the next phase. As you can see, here you see we've installed a caulking up against the block wall, securing the weather from entering behind the buck strip. And then further on down, taking it further on down, all the way down to where the threshold meets the concrete floor, and caulking it across the bottom as well as the underside of the door. Here what you're looking for is an even reveal all the way up the door line, and with that you achieve that by installing shims at different locations as you go up the door jamb. Once you have the door secured to the jamb with all your screws and fasteners, you apply the great stuff material for all your air gaps. It's real important to remember before using this product, you need to make sure that all your screws are fastened securely to the door jamb, so that way when you apply the foam, it does not expand and push the door jamb away from that to create a reveal problem with the door versus the jamb. Stay tuned for our next segment of residential remodeling with Barnhardt Construction.